Hey Jerry, it's time to party.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Everything. Jerry did a 17-mile run today. And we have Motor City Pizza, or what's known as
Detroit style
sheet pan pizza. Did you know where that originated? On an oil pan in Motor City. Anyway, this is my plant-based remake that is oil-free, of course, and nut-free, and sugar-free, and additive-free, and organic, fresh milled crust. I show you how to make this tonight in PD Ed. But this is a 1 meal a day video to show you.
So where's your pizza?
Yeah, where's my pizza, Jerry said. I just wanted to show you guys what we eat 1 meal a day, and Jerry is sustaining day fasted, running long distance, and feeling good.
Yeah,
right?
feeling really good.
Okay, that's all that matters. So here we have a winter mix salad. It's mixed greens. It's an oil-free balsamic mustard vinaigrette, and it's got plant-based yogurt in there and everything. But lots of plant diversity, including the broiled trinity of cranberries, corn, and onion, celery. We've got baby greens, bell pepper, carrots, red cabbage, you know, all the good goodies in our salads. And then I will eat 3 of these. Jerry will eat the rest. We have yogi bowls here, which are freezer blueberries, organic, of course, and pomegranate arils that Jerry shook in October from April's trees. And this is our organic soy yogurt on top, and some frozen pineapple and air pop popcorn. And I like that on top of my salad to eat as like a little crunchy crouton.
It's good stuff. These are great.
Oh yeah.
I love the
This is rosemary crispies that goes on top of our salad. And these are crispy white beans, one of Jerry's favorite salad toppers. Sure. And we have lots of citrus this time of year that we get through Azure Standard. If you don't know what Azure Standard is, we'll include the link below. Yeah. Check out what they have. And we survive on their produce this time of year, all organic produce. And these are blood oranges, and we have cara oranges. They're in our salad, but we'll each eat a couple of these for dessert along with our yogi bowls. And what else? Jerry will eat a couple bananas.
Yep.
He usually does. And that's it. That's what we eat. 1 meal a day on a protective diet. I went from a size 22 to a 2. And I eat lots of bread and pizza. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, you cannot possibly be that thin and tiny and be eating what you say you're eating. But that's why we do these 1 meal a day videos, so that you see exactly what we eat. And it's easy for us to share, because eating 1 meal a day, there's no little nibbles and snacks in between. We go strong, high energy all day until that first bite. And we anticipate this feast every single day.
There isn't even a craving or a desire to eat.
No desire to eat till you take 1 bite. And then we produce insulin 1 time a day after we eat. This is more ketogenic than a ketogenic diet, even though we are complex carb loaders.
Boom.
And we fresh mill our wheat. I mean, we're eating complete whole grains here, but it is starch heavy. But we only produce insulin once a day, which makes us more ketogenic than a ketogenic diet, because their goal is to not produce the insulin, but they're eating snacks, they're eating several meals a day, and every time you eat protein, you produce insulin.
It's like we make it easy.
Yeah.
Follow.
Oh my gosh. It couldn't be more protective than a protective diet 1 meal a day. So it's time to party. It's time to eat.
Yes.
Whoop, whoop. Let's go, Jerry.
Let's go.
If you have any questions about protective diet or 1 meal a day, or the 8 years that we've been doing this every single day. This month we're celebrating it.
Yeah.
February 2026 is
Hard to
8
believe.
years.
It's amazing.
Comment below, and I'd love to answer any of your questions. And by the way, we're making this Motor City Pizza tonight in PD Ed. Check it out. We're doing it start to finish, showing you exactly how to do it. Check out Protective Diet Education and all it has to offer. You can see all that is offered me. And I share everything play by play, just how I did it and how Jerry's doing it.
Join us on the path to optimal health. We'll see you.
Take care.
And best of health.